What's up, boys and girls? Welcome back to Expression Culture. Here with me, Gareth, Honda Guru, to your washer jets on your Mark III or third generation Honda Fit or Jazz. Do this. If so, stick around and watch this video. Let's go. Right, so first things first, you're going to need to pop your bonnet, and you're going to need an 8mm socket. Basically, the wash jets are in here, so we need to take these two covers off first to get to here. One there and one over there. So let's undo those first, and then the other one here. Obviously these won't be done up very tight because they're only plastic trim. Looks like someone's been in here before though. Wouldn't surprise me with this car. Definitely poorly maintained, this car. Then disconnect your pipe here. Just tuck that down one side. Close your bonnet again. Pop it on the latch, and these covers should just now pop off. He says. There we go. Oh. Don't really take that one off, but you get the idea. So your wash jets are here, and what we want to do is take these out and just soak them in descaler. Like just soak them for a few hours, and yeah, so that's the first bit done. Just a case of pinching here and disconnecting the hose. There we go. Oh, if you get any of these get stuck in the actual bonnet itself, just push them out like that, pry back out, and you can see a couple of these have took the gasket with them, which is there. And interesting, because he's almost missing it. Someone's definitely been in here before. Oh well. Like I said, it wouldn't surprise me with this car. It seems to have had its fair share of people mucking about with it. Right, so I'm going to put them, you just need to pinch these. I'm going to get someone to pinch that. Ooh, I'm dribbling screen wash down me. As you can see, they're quite sort of gummed up. Been a while since I've actually done one of these, so I've just noticed that panel is actually one piece on this side, so you don't actually need to take out the bolt on this side. Do apologise, there's a bit of wind today, so I'm just going to pop that back in so they don't get lost. But like I said, it looks like someone's been in here before. I'm fairly sure they're meant to go underneath there like that. Yeah, there's someone been here before. Let's just tighten that back up. So you'll probably find that someone's tried to repair this before, because I will admit, when I got the car, I've had the car, what is it, about 5 months now? I've always thought they were a bit shite, but it's a combination of poor quality screen wash or no screen wash at all and just putting water in it. And obviously that builds up limescale in these washer jets. It's also, again, so we don't lose that, pop that one in there. Those should look lovely. Got a lot coming for this car. So I hope you GK5 or GK3 or GP5 fans, third generation Honda Jazz or Honda Fit fans are gonna stick around, subscribe. I've got a lot more coming for this car, really do. Some exciting stuff, some stuff that I think is not been in the UK yet either, because obviously this car's, you know, this car was built in limited numbers for the UK market. We only got the GK5 on the facelift, so yeah. Right, so let's get these out now. I don't know whether this is going to be small enough, probably not. You can see what you got to do. Just compress this so you can get them out. There's one. Two, are they? No, I don't think they're sided in any way. So double check that in a second. So it's easier probably to do that with a screwdriver. Best thing to use that would be some needle-nose pliers, but I can't bother to go to the shed. Right, so there they are. There's your washer jets. Nothing too fancy. What we're going to do, it hasn't quite arrived yet. Actually, I'm waiting for it to arrive from Amazon, but I've ordered some descaler and we're just going to leave them for a few hours or overnight. I mean, stuff coming out. Yeah, but it's worth doing. Whilst you're doing this sort of service, you might as well do it properly, because yeah. So now, wait for that to arrive. I'll show you that later once it does arrive. And let's get. Ooh, that sounds like a Havard. Yeah. The old washer jets. In they go. And we'll put a bit of water in them. That in there. It's probably a bit overkill, but oh well. Yeah, it's just a EcoZone descaler. Right, I can leave that overnight, see what it does, and we'll get back to you later on. Alright, good morning everybody. It's the next morning. I'm going to tip this down the sink. Hope everyone's enjoying their Easter holiday. Let's just give it a rinse, just to dilute it. Kitchen roll. And they certainly look cleaner. Yeah, put them back in the trim panel, fit the trim panel, and see if this has worked. Right, here we go. Let's install these again. Now, they're not sided, just making sure they've been adjusted the same. Oh, my little dog's at the door. Just wants to come in. Come on in. So, okay. Right, let's pop that back on the car. Oh, must remember to take that bolt out. Right. Okay. So, tuck your tube down there. Make sure that little tab is on the underside of the bonnet. feed the hose back through, which just connects up. I'll knit that up later, and we should be done. Right, moment of truth for me as well. This isn't staged or anything. First try. Well, they're considerably higher. And I now have working. Ooh. Sorry about that. Right, I call that a win. You know what to do, guys. Well, there you go, boys and girls. Another quick fix for the Honda Fit Mark III 3rd generation GK5 if you've got the hybrid. Yeah, I mean, you could just replace them, but they're like 20 quid each. So, you know, that bottle of descaler was, I think, 3 or 4 quid on Amazon. You know, leave them overnight to soak, and that's cleaned them well out. Yeah, I'm very happy with that. So, you know, if you're struggling to get a decent spray pattern, try this, see how you get on. Right, I love you, live you, boys and girls. Have a wonderful Easter weekend. I'll see you very soon. Bye bye.